Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're making buttercream icing. I needed to make a cake for my daughter's baby shower this weekend and made our family favorite buttercream recipe and decided to share it with you. For this recipe, you will need 4 tablespoons of milk, a pound of butter, which is about 2 cups, softened to room temperature, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and a 1 kilogram bag or 2-pound bag of confectioner's sugar. That's about 8 cups. So first, let's get the butter into the mixer. And using the paddle attachment, you're going to whip that until it is soft. You can use a hand mixer, but I just like to use this one because it does all the work for me. Periodically, you want to stop and scrape down the paddle and the sides of the bowl. Once you have that to a nice, soft, whipped consistency, something like you would get in a restaurant to have with bread, you want to put your mixer on low and add in the vanilla and the milk. You just want to incorporate this into the butter so that it's just loosely mixed together. So again, I'm going to scrape down the paddle and the sides of the bowl before I start adding in the icing sugar. And having the mixer on low speed, now we can start adding our sugar. You want to do this slowly. You can do it cup by cup. I'm just actually adding it straight from the bag here. I feel like I have control over the bag, just adding a little bit at a time, and it is slightly less messier, and why make more dishes? So I just slowly keep adding this and letting it mix in. I decided to actually add an extra cup of icing sugar here and about a teaspoon of milk. And once I get all of that mixed in, I turn it up to a higher speed and just let it get nice and soft and whipped. And you'll see that it's easy to spread and pick up and looks really light and fluffy. I transfer this into a airtight container. I'm just using a Rubbermaid container here. And then I'm off to ice the cake. In the next video, you'll see what happens with this cake. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.